The The tracked region outline command will create a 2D or 3D line string representing the 2D outline of a region from a set of separate, potentially unconnected lines and or surface and site improvement edges. So basically, if I've got two lines here, I can select both of those lines and I can do the tracked region. So on the CAD tab, if I select track region, you can give it a name because it's going to create a new line string. I can set a layer I want it to go to, and then you can select the lines, which I've already done in this case. And I can tell it to track the interior regions. And if there's a gap between the lines, you can put a gap closure tolerance. And then basically you're just going to pick the interior point of that line, or where you want. So if I want this side, I'm going to click here, and you'll see that it creates a region there at that location. You'll see here that it also provides a region area that's been created.